Good evening, all. This is the video we are going to have regarding the hot beverages. There are so many kind of hot beverages in the market, but we should always prefer the healthy ones. So this is the video about the hot beverages, what we should be taking in the morning and the evening hours. So let's start with lemon tea. It is one of the very nutritious and your cleansing. It can detoxify your complete body as well. So I prefer it always in the early in the morning, so that I believe that you guys can also prefer it. So the first one is always lemon tea to detoxify your body, and it is a very good hot beverages. The second one will be hibiscus tea. You just have to use the hibiscus flower for this. You can have it with ice also, you can have it without ice also, but as we are talking about the hot beverages, so it will be great if you'll have a hot hibiscus tea. It is I always prefer it as a evening drink, but some people can have it in the morning also. The third one is the lemon water. Lemon water is, I think maximum people will be having who are little bit health conscious, they will always have it in the early in the morning. It is really good. I mean, if we'll start with lemons benefits, then maybe we cannot hand it off in the night also. So it's always a very nice thing to have lemon water early in the morning. Some people can have it in the daytime also before meal anytime, it which will be convenient for them. Then the last one is your green tea. Green tea, I generally have 2 to 3 times in a day. You can have it with your food also. You can have it in the empty stomach also. It is really helpful to reduce your stomach fat. So if you are having a green tea for 2 3 times in a day, then it is really going to benefit your metabolism rate. And because your metabolism rate will be very high, then it will not allow other fat elements to be deposited in your body. Then the next will be coriander water. Maximum time coriander water is beneficiary for your kidney stones and kidney kind of problems, but normal people can also have it. I started having coriander water when I started having kidney stones, and it really helped me to the smooth passage of the stones. And if you'll have a regular intervals coriander water, then I think you will never get a kidney stones. Your kidney will function perfectly fine. It is really a very I mean personal drink for me. I always prefer coriander water in the evening. Then the next will be a mint water. Mint is very helpful. It's a leafy food, and it will have your antioxidant qualities. So just put some 2 or 3 mints in a water overnight. In the morning you can have it, or you can boil mint in the water and you can have it as a hot beverages. Choice is up to you, but definitely it is going to help you the way you will never ever imagine. The next will be a cucumber water. Cucumber water will be great with the lunch. Just drop some 4 to 5 pieces of cucumber in the water and have it with the lunch or before lunch. It will really cleanse your stomach and your intestine so that your food can flow like guitar or something. It is really helpful, and I always prefer to have cucumber salad in the lunch. So it is a very good quality water. Then the next will be cumin seed water. Whoever is planning to have a weight loss programs for them, so cumin seed is a must. And if you'll just boil 1 or 2 tablespoon of cumin seeds and have that water in a hot form, so it is really going to help you the way I mean to reduce your weight, to improve your digestion power. All our weight gain starts from the intestine. So if your digestion and your metabolism rate will be perfect, there will be no issue that anything can happen to your stomach. So always have some cumin water in the 1 or 2 days intervals. Then the fun-and-seed water. Fun-and-seed water is something you have to just put 1 or 2 tablespoons of fun-and-seed in some saucepan with 1 or 2 cups of water. Let it shrink to 1 cup. Then you can have that. It is also a very good masala for your digestion process. So once it will be great, then you can have it. You can have it as a hot beverages. You can little bit cold it also, but I always prefer to have funnel seed water in a hot platform So I'll refer that only, because he in this video also we are talking about hot beverages. So it's great if you'll start to have a funnel seed water with the hot zone.